Hi, I'm Clady Quesada in another episode of BPUB Central. With Stage 2 of the Drought Contingency Plan in effect, we're all thinking about water use. But when it comes to water usage that safeguards public health, it's still allowed. Today, we'll show you how this specialized truck is helping prevent potentially hazardous situations. In the Rio Grande Valley, winds like to kick up dust, and it ends up everywhere, including our electrical gear, like insulators and power lines. Over time, these dusty buildups can lead to some serious issues. One foggy day could turn those power lines into conductive pathways for a big fire. Imagine layers of dust and salt accumulating on a power line that, when wet, whether from humidity or from a light drizzle, turns into mud, which, you guessed it, then becomes conductive. This can cause power outages or even fires in severe cases. That's where this nifty mobile washer truck comes in handy. This specialized truck has a high-pressure washer that blasts away all that contamination without sparking a fire. We also use deionized water to ensure there's no conductivity from any trace elements. Even more extraordinary is that the crew is able to clean electrical lines while they are live and delivering electricity to homes and businesses. BPUB has been doing this live line washing for many years and will continue keeping those electrical lines clean for your safety. Just remember, this is a highly trained crew with all the right gear. Trying this on your own without proper precautions can be very dangerous. In Stage 2 of our Drought Contingency Plan, it's crucial that we unite to preserve our water resources. This means refraining from washing hard surfaces, such as sidewalks and driveways, unless it's necessary for safety or public health reasons. You can find all the information you need on our website and on our social media. Thank you so much for joining us. My name is Clady Quesada, and I'll see you on next episode of BPUB Central.